You remember that video I did talking about how the war of crypto is on? Well, now crypto is fighting back. That's what we're talking about today. Hit like, hit subscribe, check out the CT Club down below. We're always talking about it. The link is just for you if you haven't checked it out yet. So I did a video talking about how the war of crypto is on. OFAC has sanctioned Tornado Cash. Congress is talking about banning mining in the US. A lot of uncertainty with crypto in terms of regulations in the US and other countries in Europe as well. But what is happening now with crypto, specifically with Tornado Cash, is that, first of all, we should know the statistics, is that approximately 92% of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem has exposure to Tornado Cash in some way or another. So the sanctioning on Tornado Cash and its code, how are they going to enforce that? That's a lesson that OFAC is going to learn real quick. Also, what happened with Blender.io was another Mixer account that was banned by OFAC in May of 2022. That one didn't quite get as much attention because that one was actually a centralized custodial service, whereas Tornado Cash is smart contract code, open source code. Once it was released to the public, it could be proliferated forever and not one person can control it. So that's what happened in August, and now we have a lawsuit with 6 different plaintiffs and Coinbase funding the lawsuit. Number one, they wouldn't have launched this lawsuit if they didn't think they could win. And what they're claiming is that there's 3 reasons why this sanction is illegal, should not have been ever happened, is because first of all, they sanctioned 44 addresses associated with the smart contracts of Tornado Cash, saying that anyone who had any interaction with those wallets or depositing into those is violating sanctions. First of all, those wallets aren't foreign countries, they aren't property, they aren't nationals of foreign countries, they aren't people at all. Also, the second claim they're saying is that this sanctioning against code, that is Tornado Cash, is a direct violation of the First Amendment, a violation of the freedom of speech. There is precedent set years ago that code is speech, and as such, it should be protected under the First Amendment. And thirdly, they not only did they sanction those 44 addresses, they've also sanctioned the code itself. That is how Tornado Cash functions. There's some people, some professors who have actually taken this code and archived it, saying that they're doing it for research only, not to have people actually use it, but so that their students can learn from it. Also, a lot of people have taken this Tornado Cash code and they are proliferating it, like I said before. And similarly to what I said before, that the code, the open source code of Tornado Cash is not a property, a foreign country, a national of a foreign country, or a person at all. So also I should say that this lawsuit is directed against the Department of Treasury, the and the Office of Foreign Asset Control, and the heads of those departments. So Janet Yellen and Andrea Gacki, Gacki, however you say her name, they are under fire. So how is this going to play out? What kind of precedents are we going to see set here? It's really important. If this gets overturned, that's a huge victory for crypto, especially for those looking for approval in those legacy systems. In the meantime, crypto is going to continue to survive like it has been. And I want to leave you all with this important thought, that is, privacy is normal. To sacrifice it for the sake of national security is just a lot of fake news. and Capitol Hill is so happy to use the excuse of national security to slowly erode your rights to privacy. This is another example, and I'm glad crypto is fighting back. We'll keep you posted. Bye, guys. It's pretty here.